Children, today's class in mathematics is factors and multiples for 5th standard. So we have to learn the factors and multiples for the numbers. So here some points to remember is there. So means the points to remember means the properties of the factors and multiples. See children, first point is every number is a multiple of 1. So you know the tables. So for this you have to learn the tables. Okay. Multiple tables is there, no? You have to learn the tables. The first point means the first property we call it as every number is a multiple of 1. Example, 5 into 1, it gives 5. Means 5 ones are 5. So here 1 is a multiple. So the answer we get is 5. 5 ones are 5. Means every number when compared to the 0, when starting from 1 to 1000 or infinite numbers, we have multiplied 1 to get the same number. So this is one of the first property. Second, for example, 99 into 1. That gives 99 ones are 99. So 1 is the multiple of every number. Okay children? So the second property, means second point is multiple of a number is either equal or greater than the number. The multiple, what the answer you get, no, the multiple is either equal or it may be the greater than the number. Example, 6 ones are 6. Here it is equal to the multiple. Okay, given number. The answer means multiple is equal to the given number. It may be greater than the number. So I will show one next example. 6 threes are how much? 6 threes are 18. So it is greater than the given number. This multiple. Here 18 is a multiple. This 18 is greater than 6, the given number. So here which are the multiples? 6 and 18 are the multiples. These two are multiples. Okay children? These two are multiples. So when we go next example, third example, 7 threes are how much? 7 threes are 21. So for example, 7 twos are how much? 14. Here both the multiples are greater than the given number, that is the 7. Okay, these 21 and 14 are called as multiples. This is the second point. The next point of the property is 1 is a factor. 1 is a factor of every number. Of every number. 1 is a factor of every number. Example, 1 into 1, it gives 1. 1 ones are 1. And then 1 twos are 2. 1 nines are 9. So here 1 is the factor of every number. So when compared to 1 to 100 or it may be infinite number means endless. Okay, countless or we call it as endless. So this is 1 is a factor. So the multiple you get 1 to 9. Which are the multiples? 1 to 9. So 1 is a factor of every number. Next, third one, fourth one. Every number is a factor of itself. Every number is a factor of itself. Example, 4 ones are 4, 3 ones are 3, 12 ones are 12. Here every number means the number 4, it has the factor of itself, means the number is a factor of itself. The multiple is the factor, say the multiple is equal to the factor, the number. Okay. Here 3 ones are 3, the multiple is equal to the given number. 12 ones are 12, 12 is equal to the number, given number. So multiples of a number are endless. So I call it as infinite. The spelling of infinite is INFINITE. Infinite or endless or are countless. So when two or more factors taken to multiplied, we get the answer that is called as what we call as product. Here once again I explain these properties. Every number is a multiple of 1. Every number is a multiple of 1. Multiple, second one, multiple of a number is either equal or greater than the number. Second one is multiple of a number is either equal or greater than the number. Next, one is a factor of every number. Third one is a factor of every number. Next, fourth one, every number is a factor of itself. So fourth one is every number is a factor of itself. So the examples are 4 ones are 4, 3 ones are 3. Like that we get every number is a factor of itself. Okay children, the next fifth one is when multiplying two or more factors or two or more numbers, you get some product. The answer we get from multiplication is called as product. The number multiplied are called as factors of two products. The fifth one is, so we call it as the product of two numbers. So 3 5s are how much? 3 5s are 15. Here 3 and 5 are the factors. 3 and 5 are the factors. When multiply two numbers and take 3 and 5 are the two numbers, you get some multiply, that's a product. So you get the two factors that is called as 3 and 5 are the factors. So let us discuss about next the perfect number. Perfect number. Perfect numbers means if the sum of all the numbers, if sum of all the numbers given in the number means there are two numbers, sum of two numbers, you get it is equal to twice of the given number. So sum of all the numbers, it is twice than the given number is called as perfect number. For example, so you have to add this one, you get 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 is equal to how much? 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 6, 12. You get. Here we have to conclude that the sum, it is equal to 12. Is it right? But the question is, factors of these. Factors of, you have to calculate factors of these sums. Factor of 6 for this sum, you get 12. So the 12 is twice the given number. 6 twos are how much? 12 means twice of the given number is called as perfect number. See the multiplication, the multiply, we have to take two factors. It will be multiplied to get the separate factors. Next to the perfect number is sum of all the numbers. It gives the twice of the given number is called as perfect number. Here I will take the factor of 6. So answer is 1, 2, 3, 6. See what are the factors? Then we go through the multiplication table. So you conclude that 1 6 is 6, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6. But 4 is not there. So 6 is not in the fourth table. Clear? So in the fifth table also 6 is not there. So in the sixth table 6 is there. 6 ones are 6. So these 1, 2, 3, 6 are the factors of 6. Okay. So wherever the 6 is there in the table, that is a multiplication table, that is called as the factor of the given number. Okay children. Next, when a number is multiplied by 0, this is easy for you, 0. When a number is multiplied by 0, what is the number children? What is the answer? For example, 1 into 0, how much 40 multiplied by 0, the answer is 40 zeros are how much? 0. So any number which is multiplied by 0, you get what is the answer? 0. Next, some of the factors. We have to find out the factors for some sums or some numbers. These are the points to remember. So for the workout, see children, find the factor of 8. This is example number 1. So 8. So I have already told you the factors we have to calculate using the multiplication table. So 8 is there in the first table, that is a 1 table. 1 how much is 8? 1 8 is 8. 1 8 is 8. See children, this 8 is the called as multiple. This is called as a factor. Okay. So 8 is there in first table, that is 1 table. 2. 2 how much is 8? 2 4 is 8. 2 4 is 8. So in the 3 table 8 is there? No. So we goes to next table, that is the 4th table. For how much the 8? 4 2 is 8. And then 5th table? No. 6th table? No. In the 7th table? No. 8th table? Yes, is there. So 8 1 is 8. So like that we have to find the factors for the given numbers. Okay children? So for that you have to practice the multiplication table. Here which are the factors? 1, 2, 4, 8 are the factors. So take your pen and rough book. You have to do yourself and write some more sums, some more numbers. So let us go to next example. Find the factor of 10. So 10 is there in first table, that is 1 table. 1 how much is so 10. So in this one we conclude that 1 is the factor of every number. This includes 1 table includes in the property. Okay, property, that is a 1 is a factor of every number. So in the second table 2 5 is 10. In the third table there is no 10. Fourth table also. The fifth table is there. 5 2 is how much? 10. 6 7 8 9 no. And 10 table 10 ones are 10. Here which are the factors? 1 2 3 10. Clear? So 1 2 5 10 are the what? Factors. So in this way we have to find out the factor of 10. So what are the factor of 20? Find the factor of 20. So 1 2 4. So and then 5, like that we have to calculate. In the 10th table also 20 is there. In the 20th table also 20 is there. Like that we have to find the factor 3. Next let us discuss about the factor 3. Okay. These are the factors. Next one is factor 3. Factor 3. So it is a diagrammatical expression. The factor 3 is nothing but a diagrammatical expression. We have to write on the board using the factors. Okay. Example number 1. So this factor 3 is diagrammatically express the factors. Example number 4, first one 24. We have to find the factor for this number. Write the factor for this number. So for that we have to write the factor 3. So 24. So here is one of the rule. We have to take only prime numbers. Children, you know the prime number starting from 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. These are the prime numbers. Prime numbers are 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. So what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are multiplied by itself only. Okay? It multiplied by only 1 and the number itself. See, when I observe second 2, 1 2s are 2, 2 1s are 2. So 2 is didn't gain in the any table. When compared to fifth 5. 1 5 is a 5, 5 1s are 5. There is no 5 in other tables. Means the prime number is a number. It multiplied by 1 and itself is called as prime numbers. So we have to take only the prime numbers. First prime number we have to take the first prime number is called as 2. So 1 is a factor of every number. So that's why we take 2. Okay. So 24. So 2 how much is 24? 2 how much is 24? 12. 2 12 is how much? 24. You know 12 table. 12 is 12, 22 is 24. So 2 12 is 24. So here 2 1s are 2 as it is. No need to write, but I show here only 2 1s are 2. This is the end of the factor tree, but 12 is there. So 2 how much is 12? 2 6 are 2 6 are 12. 2 how much are 12? 2 6 are 12. Again 2 is there, so 2 1s are 2. Then this is the end of the factor tree. Here 2 how much are 3? 2 3 is 6. 2 3 is 6. See, 2 is a prime number and 3 is also a prime number. Here children. So I will explain once again. 24. We have to find the factor for this number. 2 12s are 24. So 2 1s are 2. This is the end one. Here 12 is there. 2 6 are 12 and 2 1s are 2 here. 6 is there. 2 3 is 6. Okay. So here the factors are 2 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3. See, 1 2 3 4 3. Okay children, like this we have to take 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 12, 12 3s are. See, like I will write here. See, therefore the factors are 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. How much? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Next 3. Answer is 24. Okay. Next sum is 18. We will take next example 18. Write the factor tree for 18. 2 how much are 18? 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. So 2 1s are 2 as it is. So we have to write the branch of the 9. So 3 3s are how much? 3 3s are 9. So these are the factors. What are the factors? 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18. Therefore the factors are 2 into 3 into 3. You get 18. Okay. So this is factor 3. Let us go to exercise number 4.1. For that first main, complete the table with your pencil wherever the blanks is there. For example, we take 44 and 45, you have to fill yourself. So I will explain one more method of finding the factor 3. made of the factorization method. So we have to multiply 2 3s are 6. So 3 you have to as it is carry. How much? 3 as it is carry. 6 is there. 2 3s are 6. Clear? 2 3s are 6. So there is no again it will be multiplied by the factor of 1. So 3 2s are 6. 6 3s are 18. So like that the previous sum is 24 now. So 24 that we have to factorization. 2 12s are 24 now. 2 12s are 24. So you have to write this one. See, carry 2 as it is. 2 6s are how much? 2 6s are 12. Okay. Again we have to multiply this one. 2 into this will be 2 3s are 6. So 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. This is the answer. This is one more method to finding the factors. So you have to fill from page 44 to 45, 44 from your textbook using pencil. Okay. So next page number 46, exercise number 41. Circle the multiples of 4 with blue color. Cross the multiples. So circle the multiples of 4. What are the multiples? 4, 8, like that. You have to shade with blue color. Cross the multiple of 6. You know 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. Like that. You have to cross the multiples of 6. And red color with the red color. And underline the multiples of 9 with a pencil. 9, what are the multiples of 9? 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 3s are 27, 36. Like that you have to, multiples means what? Tables. You have to underline the multiples of 9 with a pencil. So there are 3 colors you have to use here. So this is an assignment for you. So you have to fill with the colors, blue and red and pencils. Okay. So next second exam question. Circle the multiples. Circle the multiples of 7 in the following numbers. First question, you have to fill in your textbook. Second one, circle multiples of 7. So here they are given some numbers 7, 13, 14, 21, 22, 35, 36, 42 and 45. See children, what are the multiples of 7 here? I will already explain the multiples you have to find out by using the tables, multiple tables. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. So 22 is there in the 7th table. No. 35 is there. 7 5s are 35. 36 is there. No. 42 is there. Yes. 45. No. Like that we have to find the multiples. Then after finding the multiples, you have to circle the multiples of 7. 7, 14, 21, 35, 42, and then 45 is there? No. So like that, you have to circle. Next, third sum is circle the multiples of 12. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72. See, you know the 12th table children? 6 is there in the 12th table. No. 12? Yes. So circle 12. 18 is there. No. 22s are how much? 24. 22s are 24. 12 3s are 30 is there? No. 12 3s are how much? 36. 12 3s are 36. 42 is there? No. How much? 12 4s are how much? 12 4s are 48. 12 5s are 60. And then 12 6s are 72. So 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72 are the multiples of 12. Okay, next. Fourth sum is write the multiples of 2 between the numbers 50 and 60. 50 and 60. See, the multiples of 2 between the numbers 50 to 60. First we have to write 50. So after 50, the multiple of 50 is 52 and 54. Means multiple means add 2 to the given number. Next, 54, then 56, 58, 60. So 60 we can't return because already they are given. So between the numbers we have to write down 52, 54, 56 and 58 are the multiples in between 50 and 60. Okay children? So this is answer for the next fifth one. Children, the fifth sum is multiple of 15. We have to find the multiple of 15 in between the numbers 50 and 100. So in between means in between the numbers 50 to 100 in the middle numbers. So in middle numbers we have to write the multiple of 15. Okay. So the after 15, what is the multiple number of 15? So 55 is there. 55 is the multiple of 15. No. So the 60. So 60 is there in the 15th table. 15. How much the 60? 4s are. So is there. So that's why I will write 60 as a multiple of 15. The next number of 15 is means in the 15th table. You know 15th table. So after 60, you will write 75 now. 15 5s are how much? 75. 15 6s are how much? 100. Sorry, 90. So like that we have to means in between number. Here 100 is there. Here 50 is there. So in between 60, 75, 90 are the multiples of 15. Okay. So next sixth sum is write the multiples of the following numbers. First one is 15. So we have to write the 5 multiples of these numbers. 15, 17 and 19. So for finding these numbers, you have to learn the tables. That's why daily you have to write the tables, recall the tables. Okay. 15, 5 multiples of 15. I will write on the board. 15 ones are 15. 2s are 30, 45, 60 and then 75. For 17, 34, 51, 68 and then 85. Next for 19th table, 90, 38 and then 57, 76 and 95. So these are the 5 multiples of the given number 15, 17 and 19. Okay children, 15, 30, 45, 60 and 75 are the multiples of 15, 17, 34, 51, 61, 85 are the multiples of 17, 19, 38, 57, 76, 95 are the multiple of 19. Multiples means the tables. See, so the 15 ones are 15, 2s are 30, 15 3s are 45, 15 4s are 60 and 15 5s are 75. So like that you have to write the multiplication table. Okay. Next one. Next one is find the. So in this one you have to find which of the following 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Here we have to find the factors. Factors, which are the factors of these numbers, means 24. So 24 is there in one table, first table. Yes, 124 is a 24. 124 is a 24. 2 is there, 2 in the table. The 2 table also 24 is there. 2 12 is a 24. Like that. In the third table also there. Fourth table also there. 3 how much are 24 children? You know the table? 3 8s are. Again 4 how much are 24? 4 6s are. In the fifth table is there? No. 6. In the sixth table is there or not? 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24. Yes, is there. In the seventh table? No. Like that we have to find the factors. Next multiple 8th table is there? No. In the 9th table is there? Is not there. Come to 12th table. 12 2s are 24. 14, 15, 16, 18, 20, 22. So there is no 22, 24 in the table. So in the 24th table, 24 is there. So which are the factor of 24? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24 are the factor of 24. Okay. Next one. Next, write any two factors of the following numbers. 6, 18, 28, 36, 42, 48. So easily you have to find the factor of 6 is 2 and 3. Okay. Factor of 9 is 1 and 9 or equal to 3. Okay. 3 6 are 18, 9 2s are 18. So for 28, so like that we have to, in the 2 table is there and also in which table is there? In the 4th table also is there and also 14. 14 2s are how much? 12. So like that we have to find 6. Factor of 6. Factors of 6 is 2 and 3. 2 3s are 6 or 3 2s are 6. Like that 18. The 1 table is there, 3 table is there, and also 9. Choose, you need 2. 28. 2 comma 14. Next 36. So in the 3 table is there. 3 12s are, 3 commas are, 3 12s are 36. And 12 3s are 36. So 42. So in the 2 table is there 21, 2s are 42. So in 48, 2 and 24. 24 2s are 48. Like that what to do. Next let us discuss about the factor 3s. Okay. Factor 3. For this lesson, so you have to practice first tables. Here are sums. Write the factor 3 for the following numbers. 10th one. Write the factor 3. So you already know that factor 3 is a schematic representation. Schematic representation means, so it will be represented, the factors will be represented through the diagrams. Okay, children? First one is 12. Next 20. Observe carefully. Once again you have to write the pattern. 12. Circle using pencil. Circle using pencil. In your class of drawing, you are writing 12. Okay. See children, write the branch for the tree. 3 4s are 12. Okay children, see here. 3 4s are 12. Here again 3 1s are 3. This is the end of this branch. So let us take 4. 2 2s are how much? 2 2s are 4. Here I will take 3 and 2 are the factors and this is a co-factor. Okay. 2 2s are 4. 12. 3 4s are 12. 2 2s are 4. This is the factor tree. Next sum is, do it yourself, 20. So in the second table, 2 how much are 20? 2 10s are 20. Again, this is the end of the branch. 2 1s are 2 here. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. So again 2 1s are 2, 5 1s are 5. Same. So 2 10s are 20. 2 5s are 10. Clear? So next sum is 28. 28. Once again, write the even number in the circle. 4 7s are 28. Here 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. So write here only. So if you will need, write down 1 time. 1 1s are 7. Next D sum 32. 32 I will write once again. 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are how much? 32. So again this one is 2 2s are 4. The factor of 4 is 2 and 2. 2 2s are 4. Again the factor of 8 is 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. Again 4 can be written as 2. 2 2s are 4. Clear? See, observe carefully. 1 by 1. 12. 3 4s are 12. Again, the factor of 4 is 2 2s are 4. Then 20. 2 10s are 20. Again 10 can be written as 2 5s are 10. For 28, 4 7s are 28. 2 2s are 4. 4 7 can be written as 1 7s are 7. 32. 4 8s are 32. So 4 can be written as 4. Factors of 4 are 2 2s are 4. 8 is 2 4s are 8. Again it will be written as 2 2s are 4. So I will show one more sum. 36. 4 3 12s are 36. 3 12s are 36. Once again, I will write the 36 in circle. 3 12s are 36. Again, it will be branched. The factors of 12 are 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6 and then 6. 2 3s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 2 6s are 12. 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are 6. These are factors. The next main here, complete the following factors in the factor tree. Means mixing factors is there. So you have to fill in the first fill in your textbook using pencil. Page number 47. So they are given 48. Blanks are given. You have to fill 12. How much are 48? No. 12 4s are 48. This is a blank. You have to fill. And 12 is branches. And the factors of 12 are here they are given 4 3. You have to write here 4. Again it will be the factors of 4 is 2 2s are 4. Here 4. The factors are 2 2s are 4. Next, they are not given the question also. So you have to find it. So it will be black. So what's the answer? So first write the branches. and then find what is the number. See children, 2 3s are how much? 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 and 3 are the factors of 6. Clear? And then 5 2s are how much? 10. 5 and 2 are the factor of 10. So 10, 6 10s are how much? 60. The answer for the number is, the answer for the fillings are, question is 60. Okay children, you have to practice in your home, in your rough book. I will give the homeworks. So this is the end of this lesson children. So learn for these tables, multiplication of tables. You have to learn more. Okay, starting from 2 to 20, you have to learn and write at least once in a day. You have to write and practice the tables. Okay children, thank you.